Welcome to another Blockrevision episode, inside of which I'm presenting you a trade idea section. And inside this episode, I'd like to take a viewpoint on Solana ecosystem and where we are right now in terms of chart analysis. So let's get into it. Solana is one of the most competitive blockchains to Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. And Ethereum has been built in 2014, so it's 7 years old. But Solana is just 3. So Solana is one of the fastest growing and the most scalable ecosystem as of right now. We can find there's nearly 2,000 live transactions per second, and the cost per transaction in Solana ecosystem is much less than at its competitors. We can also find that Solana ecosystem is getting more and more decentralized with nearly 1,000 validator nodes. We can also explore the ecosystem. There are lots of dApps that are run on Solana blockchain, and inside of it there's some of like summarization of what we can find right on this chain. There is also quite friendly environment for new developers that would like to join Solana ecosystem and just put a few cents in into this development of a blockchain. So the few marketing slogans that advertising Solana ecosystem is low cost and also security of a network. So that's something that is attracting a lot of investors from around the world. Right now let's talk about the Solana USDT chart for a minute, and we can find Solana has gone through massive gains since the end of 2020, and we can find that this growth was right at over 100 times since the end of 2020. So it means that Solana was one of the fastest growing ecosystems in terms of price during last year. So Solana is definitely one asset that is attracting an attention of a lot of investors that are hungry for gains, and we can find right now that we are right after another wave of growth that has indicated right about 900% growth. So that everything has happened in relatively short period of time. But what can we expect from Solana USDT as of right now? Right now let's get into for a chart that by many traders is recognized as the most reliable time frame among all in terms of taking trading decisions. So on 4-hour chart right now we can find that we are approaching and even has touched this very important demand zone. Demand zone that recently, right at the 130 level, has found a strict supply that right now where this resistance is becoming a support. On 4-hour chart that is also highly visible that we have touched this 200 EMA line that often is found as when the chart is just maintaining above this line. There is often like a confirmation for the chart that is sustaining a bull trend. So within this 4-hour chart, we can find many signs that the chart is about to maintain at a level of above 125. So for this one to happen, we need a rebound from this area. This rebound maybe happened within a few hours. Right now we can find that right here the over average demand is turning up, and the bulls should move this crypto asset higher. In terms of funding rates of Solana, we can find that bulls are still at the majority in terms of bulls and bears balance, and right now we can find that that may be something that is favoring this stock for the possible move to the upside. In terms of crypto events that supposed to outweigh trade ideas to the bull side for Solana, we can find that we have an upcoming event of a summit that gathers lots of crypto leaders. Among them Solana should appear, and also some other projects that are launching on Solana ecosystem, and some other events such as token 2049 that yet to be happen during November of 2021. But these are just a few of important events for Solana yet to be happened, attached by proponents of ecosystem. So Solana USDT is in an interesting spot. We can find that we are right now ranging within this area of 130 and also 160, and with this bounce we can expect, if you'd like to put our trade idea with this one to happen, I do find a possible trade at risk-reward ratio at level 3, just to take place right now after this rebound, and something that should be moved right to the nearly $200 with a possible stop loss at 125. That is a bottom of this demand zone. So in terms of area of an entrance, I would find this area of an entrance to be valid. So if the price of Solana will just get lower, that will be even a better chance for us to take a position and take advantage of this trade with risk-reward ratio at higher level than it's right now. If the price will just exceed this limit of 150 or will get lower than 126, I wouldn't find this proposition as to be valid for a trade. And that's it for today's episode. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.